I just pulled up to a job. A guy called and said his opener or something's not working. I'm just pulling up right now and getting out of the car. Hey, how you doing? So what do you got going on here?
I don't know. The thing, it won't shut. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
You got the side mounted openers over here.
Yeah, they're what I got here.
Go ahead and run it. Let me see what it's doing.
I got them right here.
All right, go ahead.
See, I push the button. See?
Go ahead. What's going on there? You got a light in here? Do you have any lights? Is that the light for it up there? The side mounted openers, they have a separate light that goes on. You don't have a light that goes on with the opener?
That was it, I think.
Is
yeah,
there?
but I took them off and hooked it just so it would be plugged into...
So it doesn't work off the opener?
No.
All right. So you can't tell if this is flying. Go ahead and push it again. Maybe I can hear it. Oh yeah, I did hear it. So it's clicking. So anyway, I could go ahead and, when's the last time you had the door serviced?
At least for over 5 years, if anything.
It looks like you had a couple openers mounted here before. You had one there, one there.
Yeah, I think you have one of those long ones that go all the way to the front.
Yeah, yeah. All right, well, I mean, I could service the door. The door's $349. I don't know if you want me to do both doors. Is that one working okay over there?
That one seems to be fine right now, but who knows? This one was fine too until 2 days ago, and it started doing what it's doing. Not doing.
All right. Yeah, this is kind of an old system. You got that little magnetic thing up here on the door. It tells you when the door is open.
You got me.
Yeah, do you have something in the house that tells you, it flashes when it tells you the door's open or closed?
That I know of.
Yeah,
Maybe.
It's a pretty old unit. Let me see what year these things were put in. It's an older style. They're black now. Yeah, you put it in 07. So anyway, I could go ahead and service the door and then $349 to get it going again. And I could probably fix whatever issue you're having. Do you want to go ahead and do it?
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
All right.
Gotta have it working.
All right, let me go ahead and get the tools out.
All right, thank you, guys. Morgan?
If you have something upstairs, it'll flash and tell you the door's open. I'm tightening up all the nuts. I went ahead and adjusted the sensor here. That was the main issue why it wasn't closing, but I already told them about the service, so it's $349. I'm gonna go ahead and lube the door right now as well. We'll go ahead and spray the hinges. There's a little pivot point right there. These are the side mounted openers right here. This is where you set the limits on them. They're really easy to install. They just hook on the end there and you mount it to the wall. It gives you a bracket. And then the rest of it is, you run the cameras down. They come with this side lock, which I don't even think they come with anymore. Or these ones came with the side locks. But they're, all the same thing. They hook up the same. The cameras go up. Everything is right here. And they have these tensioners on here. See those tensioners? That keeps the tension on the spring when it opens, because sometimes you'll have slack in the cable. That'll keep them from falling off. Because it's turning the shaft instead of pushing the door. But they eliminated that. They don't have them on the new ones. So that's a good thing. One less thing you got to do. But this is a really old door. The old style. Go ahead and go up and down with it. See if it works any better.
Look how smooth it's going.
Yeah, that's because you got a professional doing it. So how'd it run?
Smooth. It's quiet too. Before it had like a lot of noise to it, but it's running perfect like.
Yeah, well the panels were kind of flopping in and out. The nuts were all loose. And with the lube and all that, you should do once or twice a year. You should be all right. So.
Well, thank you, and you guys came quick too. That's amazing.
All right, I'll go ahead and write the receipt. And
here's a little extra, you guys.
You sure?
I'm positive. Have lunch. Thank you, guys.
We appreciate it. Give us a call on your next service. You get a 1-year warranty. So just if anything else happens, if you want that door service down the road, just give us a call. Any of you guys thinking about getting in the garage door business? I got 45 years experience and I used to hang a lot of doors and I've seen every situation. I can tell you how to do everything. Give us a call. I'll catch you. Click below to watch a free lesson and don't forget to like and subscribe.